The 2023 track and field season has been off to a bullet start. From seeing athletes run fast times and achieve high leaps on a weekly basis on the collegiate circuit, along with professional athletes competing at various NCAA meetings just to see where they're at in training. The past weekend saw Caribbean athletes such as Antigua's Joella Lloyd representing the University of Tennessee, Jamaica's Kavia Francis of Baylor University, Garriel Whyte of Jamaica who competes at Louisiana State University, and World Championships 4x4 meters relay silver medalist Jevaughn Powell, who now represents the University of Florida, all competing at various meetings. This past weekend was so eventful with meets such as the Clemson Bob Pollock Invitational, Razorback Invitational, and the Texas Tech Open and Multi. The athletes have been laying down fantastic times and showing fans that they have more to offer. It was quite hard to summarize the top 5 moments of this weekend's meet, but let's get it out the blocks. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for our future videos. Number 5. Philip Lemonius of Jamaica placed 3rd with a season's best of 7.73 seconds at the Razorback Invitational.
And it is Javante Harding who just shifts gears.
Lemonius, who represents the University of Arkansas, has been somewhat of a virtual unknown to most track and field fans. However, he has been consistent on the NCAA circuit for the last 2 seasons. In the 60 meters hurdles at the Razorback Invitational, Lemonius was on a roll as he equaled his season's best of 7.77 seconds to win his heat and qualify comfortably for the final. In the final, he was somewhat of an underdog with the field, including 2022 World Championship 110 meters hurdle silver medalist Trey Cunningham of the United States and his teammate Matthew Lewis Banks. Cunningham was able to get the best start and led the field from the start and finished with a meeting record time of 7.60 seconds, eclipsing the joint meeting record of 7.66 seconds held by Jerome Miller and Eric Edwards Jr. Lemonius was 3rd behind his teammate Lewis Banks, both running season's best and personal best of 7.73 seconds and 7.72 seconds respectively. This performance by Lemonius should give him added confidence to break his personal best 7.54 seconds done at the 2021 NCAA Championships. Number 4. Bahamian Wanya McCoy placed 3rd with a personal best of 20.70 seconds in the 200 meters at the Clemson Bob Pollock Invitational.
The fastest in the world looking Christian Coleman, the former Tennessee Volunteer down the straightaway, a national champion, a world champion, and it is on.
Wanya McCoy has been having the time of his life in his young career as he made his 200 meters indoor debut at the Clemson Bob Pollock Invitational. McCoy was able to run an incredible 20.70 seconds to place 2nd in his race and 3rd overall as the University of Tennessee duo of Javante Harding and Emmanuel Bynum were 1st and 2nd respectively with times of 20.60 seconds and 20.69 seconds. Number 3. Jamaican Olympian J-irie McLeod placed 2nd in the long jump with a leap of 8.09 meters at the Razorback Invitational.
From Jamaica, his 6th and final attempt. Won the SEC Outdoor, won the NCAA Indoor, goes down and...
McLeod, who has transferred from the University of Tennessee and now represents the University of Arkansas, was having a fantastic long jump competition at the Razorback Invitational. He was able to have his 3rd fastest leap of 8.09 seconds to place 2nd in the event, behind Jeremiah Davis of Florida State University, who won the event with a leap of 8.21 meters. J-irie McLeod, along with his teammates Wayne Pinnock and Jadon Hibbert, is in a position to put on a show in both the long jump and triple jump come the time of the NCAA Indoor Championships in March. Number 2. Lamar Diston of Jamaica clears 1.90 meters to win the high jump at the Razorback Invitational. The Commonwealth Games high jump champion who represents Texas A&M had a flawless competition on all 3 attempts. Diston's best clearance came on her final attempt of 1.90 meters, which is the 3rd best leap of her career thus far and the best leap by a collegiate athlete this season. Lamar Diston will be looking forward to defending her high jump NCAA title in a few weeks' time. Number 1. Jamaica's Akira Nugent runs a personal best of 7.88 seconds in the 60 meters hurdles at the Razorback Invitational.
This is Talia Brooks. Nugent.
Nugent has been having quite a consistent season since moving from Baylor University to the University of Arkansas. Nugent opened her season with a time of 8.00 seconds in the 60 meters hurdles at the Arkansas Invitational and looked extremely comfortable running that time. At the Razorback Invitational, she was able to run her first sub-8 clocking of the season with a time of 7.98 seconds in her heat to easily qualify for the final. Nugent crossed the finish line in a new personal best of 7.88 seconds just outside of her previous personal best of 7.89 seconds done in 2022 and still maintains her spot as the 6th fastest Jamaican woman over the 60 meters hurdles. This performance by Akira Nugent gives an indication of what she will do when she meets the other NCAA hurdlers such as her countrywoman Demisha Roswell of Texas Tech, Masai Russell of the University of Kentucky, Aaliyah Armstrong of the Louisiana State University, Grace Stark of the University of Florida, and Paula Salmon of North Carolina A&T. The journey continues to the March 10th to 11th NCAA Championships as more of our Caribbean athletes will continue to shine and make a name for themselves on the international stage. Who do you expect to break out in the 2023 NCAA track and field season? Let us know your comment below. If this presentation was of some value to you, we would greatly appreciate it if you would give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for our next video as we cheer on our Caribbean athletes together. This is J-irie Caribbean. Thanks for watching.